Hello everyone, I am Pratik Swain from Cuttack, Odisha. Now I am pursuing my BTech in GEC Autonomous College in Computer Science and Engineering from 2020 to 2024 batch. I am very excited to announce that I got placed in CGLIA Solutions LLP in Hyderabad. I want to thank the training and placement cell because of the tremendous support and guidance to me, which helped me a lot to get placed. They have provided me tremendous internship opportunities such as Internsala, Educare, etc. And they also provided us certification courses from Azure and from NASCOM. I want to thank the training and placement cell specially because they conducted mock group discussion sessions and PI and TI sessions that helped me a lot during the interviews. I want to advise the juniors to attend the pre-placement classes and the extra classes. Thank you.